Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie and this is Change of Plans with Angie. In today's video, I'll be showing you what I picked up from the Happy Planner Fall 2024 release. If that sounds like something that you are interested in, please continue to watch. All right, I just received my package today and I'm so excited because this package has been all over the US. The Happy Planners warehouse, I'm assuming, is in California and I live in Virginia. And when I tell you that this package has been everywhere, it's crazy. It went from California to Arizona, New Mexico, Kansas, Illinois, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Maryland, North Carolina, and now here to Virginia. So I just wanted to go ahead and get this video out. I am going to put a disclaimer. There is someone cutting grass. There's always someone cutting grass. It is also trash day, so you may hear a trash can roll down a driveway. Like, it is just always so much going on, but I just wanted to get this video out to you. So let's get started. I'm going to move some of this stuff out of the way. Give me 1 second. And we're going to start with our minis. So honestly, I have no clue what the name of these minis are. They were not on the label. I know everyone has been talking about it, but if you can find it, I know they're online, just this is what I have, okay? This one we'll start with it says Bloom and Grow. And let me not get ahead of myself. This one is a dashboard. It's cute. It's got, you know, the flowers, but it's a dark flower to me. This is the calendar. It's in black. You got your perpetual calendar, and I'll show you the dashboards. I'm not a fan of this black stripe that's going down the middle because I like to decorate and design. Actually, I'll show you what I've done for this week in my mini so you all can see exactly what I'm talking about. Let me see if I can get this in the frame. We'll just slide it down. It says, I'm not always sarcastic. I still need sleep. And we have our bed. So this is exactly what I'm talking about when I say I'm not a fan. This planner that I currently have right now, I'm actually not a fan of this one either. I wish it was more neutral because the designs in the middle are kind of messing me up. But yeah, this is exactly what I'm talking about. So you have this black here. Here's February, March, April, May. June's pretty. You have July. August is dark. That's nice. That would be September, October, November, and there's your December. So this one is a dashboard, which is my absolute favorite type of planner. I always use a dashboard, but I do like to Franken-plan. So I also picked up a horizontal. This one is really pretty. It has the gold foil. I'm not sure if you can see that. I do use metal classic size rings on my planner, so this will definitely be coming off, okay? So this one has butterflies. It's really cute. This has some gold foil. And this one is a horizontal. So let's talk about this horizontal situation we have going on. Tons of people are horizontal lovers. For me, I use a horizontal to use as a journal or diary, however whatever you want to call it. But in this sale, they made a checklist and people are very unhappy about that. This, because it is a mini, it's already small. So now you've made it go from small to smaller. And I'm just trying to be positive and figure out how in the world am I going to use this. So I was thinking that I can use this for journaling. And then I can use this as a checklist or use it as a dashboard. If you don't want to, have two planners. Weight loss goals. You could do affirmation or self-care, but like I'm going to try my best to come up with a good way to use it. This one actually is really pretty. So that was February. You have March. Here's April. You have May, June. It says dream like nothing stands in your way. That's July. August. September, enjoy the beauty of ordinary things. September is my birth month, so I'm excited about that. This one is beautiful. It says enjoy the little things in life. And then November and December. What I may do, because I do like to Franken plan together, I think I might switch out these. I mean, they're gonna have the month on the back, like, yeah, I think I'm gonna switch them out and let these be my dividers, because like I said, this one is nice, but I like this one. So for all the people that are out there saying, man, they ruined the horizontal, like, what am I gonna do now? I have a solution for you. So right now on the Happy Planners website, for $10.49, they're on sale. There are two 18-month horizontal planners. All right, keep up with me on this one. Oh, 18-month starts July 2024 and ends in December of 2025. So if you were to buy it now, that would give you all of next year with the old horizontal in it. It would not be the ones that have the checklist. It would be the old school. So if you really hate the checklist, maybe go grab them. There's only two left. Two different styles that are left, not two planners, for $10.49. And that will give you the rest of this year as well as all of next year with the old horizontal layout. So just want to put that out there for you guys and just let you know I was trying to find other alternatives to see how I can help anybody who is not truly happy with these, the new horizontal planner. And of course, I do apologize for the glare. Next, let's look at the disc, okay? And yes, I opened them off camera because y'all know I be over here butchering, opening these up. What I have in front of me is the copper metal disc. This is the pumpkin cutout, and this one is the chestnut shimmer. We're going to come back to this one right here. Let me show you the copper shimmer. They are beautiful. They're plastic, but like, that is so pretty. I don't know if you can see. Let me see if I'm in frame, if this is going to help you. Look at that. That is so pretty. Like, ugh, I love it. So I picked these up. So again, this one is called the Chestnut Shimmer. This is the pumpkin metal cutout that was already, I think it came out like last year. It's been sold out since I started planning with stickers. So I was so glad to see that they were in stock, and I was able to take advantage of that 40% off sale that Happy Planner had. So that's what these look like. And then I was excited to get the copper. I will show you these, but I'm also going to tell you I am a little bit pissed about these. This is copper, okay? This is called just copper metal, and it says that it is new, okay? Let's see. I hope it's not washing it out. Let me try to bring it down here. This way, okay? Copper. Very pretty. Now, let's talk about the fact that I saw Kendra with the Plan make her video, and she showed these copper discs, and it dawned on me, wait a minute, I already have this. If I'm not crazy, we already have these discs. So here I present the copper disc that came in the Apricot Dreams Be Happy box. Y'all look at this. Tell me this is not the same disc. So this is the new copper metal, and this is the old that was already sold. It is already on the website. Tell me, y'all, that this is not the same. This is Apricot Dream Life Hack Be Happy box, and this is the new copper. This is the same doggone disc. And I'm actually really upset about it because I could not decide if I wanted the black metal or if I wanted the new copper. And of course I went with the copper, and now I'm upset about that because I should have gone with the black because I already have this. So that's the disc. Last but not least, I am pleasantly surprised. Actually, hang on. I've got two more things. I totally forgot about it. I ended up picking up the covers. This one is the snap-in cover. What is this called? The Fleur Deluxe snap-in planner cover. This is not new. It's just new to me. And the deal was so amazing that I could not pass it up. This is what it looks like. You have your pocket here. You actually have two pockets. So you have one here. It is like a faux leather, vegan leather, and it is like a mint green color. And then here's the other one, the other side that has a pocket. This is so cute, so I did go ahead and pick this one up. And then out of the new collection, I picked up this Work Plus Life by Happy Planner. They have a planner, but I did not want the planner. I just wanted the notebook. I really just wanted the cover. It has 60 sheets, 3 tab dividers, dotted line pages, and premium paper. So this one is actually called Ivory, and this is rose gold, and it has these little like pearl rose gold disc on them. Let's cut this. This is tight. Hold on. It says, train your mind to see the good in everything. Oh, this paper does feel a little thicker. Okay. This is the other one. Don't call it a dream, call it a plan. And this one says, stay humble and be kind. And it does have a pen holder. So I'm really happy about this. Like I said, this one was part of the new fall release. And my idea is that I'm probably going to use this for Christmas and the holidays, and maybe put like some red rings or some green rings or something like that. Maybe even the blue, and just have that for the holidays. So I did pick those two up. Last but not least, we have the custom. I'm so excited about this custom box. Let me tell you, I was a little disappointed when they first came out, but this planner is better than I thought it was going to be. It looks so much better. So if you're not familiar with the fall release, they have a custom planner. You can pick from 20 covers. You also then pick your discs. There's 15 plastic, and then there's 5 metal discs that you can pick from. The metal does have a $5.99 additional price to it. So I believe it started at like $29.99. And then you can get the 15 plastic for free, or for $5.99 extra, you can go ahead and get the metal. And in the metal, they have black, gold, rose gold, hot pink, and silver. So let me show you, like I'm excited because I was not very hopeful with the way this sale went, but like I'm happy. I'm very happy. This is the box. Okay, let me show you what I picked out. The cover that I picked is called Soft Marble, and it is so pretty. In my last video, I said, it's not too many options. There aren't too many choices, but like, I love this. It's pink online, and maybe their pictures just didn't do it any justice. Let me slide this light a little closer, see if this helps some. It's like a coral and pink. And then right here, it is holographic. Can you see that? Sorry for the glare, but I'm just trying to show you guys. So this is the front. That's the back. Actually, let's do something. Let's move this box out the way, because it's taking up too much space. Back to the cover. How beautiful is that? How beautiful is that? It is like a pink, white, and like a coral marble with like holographic on the edge. It is lined here. And let me just quickly show you the dividers. This is January. It says Dream Every Day. They're double-sided, y'all. We've been asking for double-sided. There's no calendar on the other side. So you can use this anywhere. You can put it in another planner. Like, it's awesome. This says Happy Mind, Happy Life. This is a pink, like, swirl. Again, this cover is called Soft Marble. Here's March. Here is April. It says Hope, Dreams, Wishes, and Plans in rose gold. This is May, and it's also trimmed in rose gold. There's June, July, August, September says Live Your Best Life. October, that is so pretty. November, it says Make Time to Do What Excites You. And then you have December. December, it's like a rose gold. That is so, even the specks and splashes. Can you guys see that? Even that's a rose gold. That is beautiful. And then we have our back cover. I did go ahead and pick up the dashboard. I'm not going to open this. I mean, you guys have seen it. What I am a little concerned about is I have seen people who are opening their, the layout that they chose, and the dates have been wrong. So like, for example, in one of the Facebook groups that I'm in, the person, when they looked, actually, let me just open it. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'm just going to tear it apart. I'm not going to use the plastic anyway. So, the monthly, oh, this is pretty. It just says January. There's my dashboard. So, for example, and this is just an example, their actual planner, it said like the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. And then again on this side, it says 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. So all of the dates were mixed up, and it almost felt like the right side was like 2024 and the left side was like 2023. So make sure y'all are checking your stuff. They did say something to the Happy Planner about it, and the Happy Planner asked them to send it back. So, a lot of people were just saying like, y'all should be just letting me keep it and send something out to me. But yeah, so this is my dashboard for 2025. And then of course it comes with, I don't know what you call this, but basically you put your disc in here and then you can put your cover and stuff. So it just makes it easier. I'm actually excited. I know it's just a piece of plastic, but I'm really happy about that. And the disc that I chose was the rose gold. And I forgot to open this one, so hang tight for a second. All right. Let's see, maybe I can just open it from the side. Yeah, that works. So I picked the rose gold because I told y'all I don't have rose gold. They're so pretty. I love them, and it actually is going to go perfect. I actually just got the rose gold just so I could have it. I wasn't really thinking about, if it would be super pretty. I think that's backwards. I think I just did that backwards. But like, that's actually kind of cute. I don't know what other color I would put with it, but like that actually goes together really good. So yeah, and of course with the planner, the custom planner, you also could add a 6-month extension for $6.99. You could get stress management, fitness, budget, wellness, and meal planning. So I did not go with any of those because they only give you a 6 months, it's a 6-month extension, so that would only give me the first half and I wouldn't have the second. And there wasn't an option to purchase 2 of them. So I am going to wait on that and see if maybe they come out with something later in another release, or, just wait and see what they have. So let me just get this out of the way. I know that glare is killing y'all. I want to thank you all for spending some time with me today. Don't forget, come on over to Instagram. My Instagram is Change of Plans with Angie, just as it is here on YouTube. Come follow me, hit that button, let's be friends, and let's have a good time. Of course, here on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, share it with someone, and subscribe. And let's be friends over here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.